Okay, so remember that when we are adding, subtracting fractions, we must make the denoms the same, common denominators, right? So for adding, subtracting fractions, you must make the denominators the same. So we've got to do that. So what am I going to do? How do I make these denominators the same? Well, what you do is you multiply by the other denominators, right? Or if you notice, like on this one, see how these are just 3, 6, and 12? You could just make them all 12, huh? That'll be easier. In other words, I'll just multiply top and bottom of this one by 4, top and bottom of this one by 2, and then I don't even need to mess with the other one, and they're all going to become a 12. Does that make sense what I'm doing there? Now, you might say, well, Mr. You did it differently before. Yeah, the other way is okay. Instead, you can say, look, I'm going to multiply this guy by 6 and 12 because that's the other two. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. That'll just make numbers bigger, though, and you'll have more reduction to do later. If you can do it more easily like this, it'll make the problem easier for you. So I'm just going to make them all 12. And so what do we get then? We get 8 over 12, right? Right here, this one is 4 times 2 is 8 on the top, 3 times 4 is 12 on the bottom. The middle one is 10 over 12, and the last one is 4 over 12. See how I made all the denominators the same common denominator? And so now that they're the same, now you can just add 8 and 10 and 4, which is 22 over 12. And then, of course, it says reduced to lowest terms. So divide by 2, top and bottom, and it becomes 11, 6. And there we go. That's an improper fraction. That's fine. That's our answer. Just give the answer just like that, 11 over 6. And there we go.